Wow, options. That is, not sure what, playground?
Yeah, you can go there. Look at it. That's good.
Toilet, Skywalker, kids outdoor. Durian Pavilion, oh boy. Bird show, okay, we'll go this way first.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
Ah, science in the park. Hello! Ayang buntag, I think. Oh, afternoon. Ako.
Look at it, man.
Hello, Wabbit. Horses, wow. Yes, looks like some kind of show with seats here. All kinds of crap here, man. Oh, cool. Kids show. A show for kids, not a show of kids. Hello, horse. Let's see what you got to say. Oh no, horsey. You alright? You look a little frustrated. You're pacing. Poor thing. I'm sorry you can't get out. Well, I'd love to own a property like this. Come out in your own backyard with a cup of coffee and stroll through your garden. What do you think?
Yeah, it's a life, man.
Guess you need a little bit more than Social Security to do that, though. What is this, a big pool? Hello. Oh yeah. Well, full of fish. That's a good thing. Otherwise it'd be full of mosquitoes. Yeah. That's a good thing.
Red tilapia. These are red tilapias.
They are. Tilapias eat mosquito larvae. Oh, there's mosquito eaters down at the bottom. Well, there is a considerable more amount of bugs right here. Orange tilapia. Looks like carp to me. Wow, this property goes on forever.
It looks outside not that big, right?
Yeah, this is huge inside. Koi Cafe. Whaling course.
You wanna try that one?
No. Zip wire. Zip line. This is right in front. Very nice. Calm area. Chocolate park. Big ant. I mean, what's a park without a few ants around, right? Candy. Tree to bar experience. All right. Well, I've never seen chocolate being or chocolate processed before. I know somewhere along the lines they pick it, dry it, ferment it. That's about all I know. I guess. That's really good. Doesn't it?
Nobody's here. It's taking a break.
Oh, here we go.
Look at the awards.
That's what a cocoa plant looks like. These are the beans out of the pod.
There you go.
This is
Now people here.
roasted cocoa nibs and chocolate bars.
Ito tigas yan, sir. Ang kulit. Ha? Ito lang ang tulo ba?
Sorry.
I guess. This is clear.
Gosh, it smells good, man.
These are their awards.
Yeah, look at that.
International awards, man.
I sure hope they have a like a souvenir shop or possible
Over
shop.
there. When you go outside.
Got it. Oh, this must be the granddaddy of them all here. kitchen. Oh, there's your familiar like chocolate fountain thing. So they put on these chocolate making classes that allow you to make your own chocolate. You could put rock salt or chili flakes or raisins, dried cranberries. Pretty cool. Maybe next time.